So we're going to go into the settings, presets. We're going to go to the gentle and sweet, which is the recommended. Okay. And we're going to hit go. Tap here. Let's get that underneath. So what's it doing up here? There we go. It's the very first pour, so I don't expect it to be good because realistically I haven't used the machine yet. Ooh, so let's get in that. Getting a few. What's it look like up here? It's got the machine, so. And we're going to, oh, it stopped performing. So got a 33.2 extraction, but look at that. Actually, that looks, oh my gosh, that looks amazing for a first espresso. Let's give it a smell. I'm trying to do a bad selfie here. That is already a million times better than my old machine does out of the bat. That is amazing.